have an arrangement with our business that we would be offering particular uptime as per the ITIL framework, and Team Computers helps us to deliver those SLAs to the business.
We had to make sure that we have a support system which understands the criticality of our business and is there by our side all the time.
Team was ready to front end and coordinate with the rest of the vendors at the back end.
So the challenges were in terms of depth of the requirements, variety of the requirements, and the very, very aggressive timeline.
When you see the BSF order, which is the current phenomena, you see team is executing a very, very large portion of our order.
The people who work at team, which is what primarily keeps us engaged with team as well.
Right from the architecting of the solution, designing, and then implementations, installations, they did a fantastic job, I must say.
Initially starting with consulting and designing a capacity planning for the IT infrastructure, then helping us to buy other OEM equipments and really setting up various offices across India.
Creates that environment where the vendor gains, the customer gains, and the internal employees also gain.
There is much more bonded after sales service.
For a multi-location partner, benefit is you can do a lot of activities parallelly. In a short time, you can complete certain activities faster. Second is the benefit of cost.
Whether it's desktop or server or VMware or software like Microsoft Office, anything, we come to Team Computers.
They've appreciated the fact that look, this we have to commercially fit into the NIT Technologies context.
We also service the Shriram School, so the local area network was completely done by team in quick time, done very professionally because they understood the requirements very well.
Scalability was the biggest thing I think I achieved.
Team has multiple alliances, multiple relationships across a variety of OEMs.
To be honest, for the last 7-8 years, no red flags.
Overall, Team Computers has a set procedures and policies, and that definitely helps the OEMs. This is how the things are going to be managed.
We are a distributor, we require the payment realization on time. So it's always on time.
Ranjan, emphasizing more on his lab, innovating it.
One-point shop for all their solutions.
Team is not just selling it. They are giving me a proper solution.
Here is a company that you can rely on. I mean, when Team began, if I remember, dealers with Macintosh. So that itself was a step ahead of its time.
The way they worked and then their time schedules and whatever they promised, they delivered that.
Every human being needs a human touch, which Team provides somehow.
We look at Team as an important channel partner for us.
Team has earned that goodwill.
They are quite reliable. They have not let us down.
Any corner of India, if I have a service, there is a team around it.
You see, the tagline of Teamline goes like, your trusted partner, and my experience over the last 18 months with Team has been that they have been my trusted advisors in a variety of ways.
In this world of instant coffee, we've got instant service from Team Computers. Service at the speed of light.
Let's do a business together based on trust. Let's keep appreciating each other's concern. And let's prepare ourselves for the future opportunities coming in.
We gave Team Computers a very short delivery time and said we need it at the earliest. And to my surprise, it was met.